All right, let's set the scene. You did everything right. You went to bed on time, skipped the doom scrolling, and even slept a full 8 hours. So, why are you walking into your 9 a.m. meeting and the first thing someone asks is, rough night? Hi, I'm Dr. Beth Matre, founder of Fix Studios. We specialize in natural results that help you feel like your best self, confident, refreshed, and never overdone, even when your under eyes are acting like they pulled an all nighter without your permission. It's a seriously frustrating cycle. You feel rested, you feel sharp, but the person staring back at you in the mirror is telling a completely different story, one that involves dark, hollow circles under your eyes. But what if the problem isn't how long you're sleeping? And what if the solution is something busy professionals are already using to finally improve the tired look? Today, we're uncovering the real reasons you still look exhausted and exploring the advanced treatments that can help you look as awake as you feel. We're all told that 7 to 9 hours of sleep is the magic number. And while that's not wrong, it's only half the story. If you're putting in the hours but still waking up looking drained, it's time to dig a little deeper. The problem usually boils down to three things: the quality of your sleep, your daily habits, and the one most people never think about, your basic anatomy. First, let's talk sleep quality versus quantity. There's a huge difference between just being unconscious for 8 hours and getting 8 hours of truly restorative sleep. Your body cycles through different stages of sleep, and the deep sleep is where much of your repair work happens. So, yes, technically we're in bed for 8 hours, but your under eyes may have been running their own little rebellion. But things like stress, a glass of wine before bed, or even a room that's a little too warm can keep you from getting enough of that crucial deep sleep. You might be having tiny micro awakenings all night without even knowing it. And that can leave your skin looking duller and making those under eye vessels way more noticeable. Next up, your lifestyle habits. Dehydration is a huge one. The skin around your eyes is very thin, so when you're low on water, that area can look hollow and dark. On the flip side, though, a diet high in salty foods can make your body hold on to water, leading to puffiness that casts shadows and makes you look tired. And of course, there's screen time, because apparently our phones want our attention and our last ounce of brightness.
Get off the phone!
But here's the most important point, and the one thing that brings so many people into an aesthetics office. What if you've fixed your sleep, you're chugging water, you're eating clean, and the dark circles are still there? For a lot of people, the cause isn't what you're doing, it's just your anatomy. In fact, a medical review on infraorbital dark circles notes that this is often a multifactorial issue. It can be pigment, visible blood vessels showing through the skin, or structural shadowing from your anatomy, which is honestly validating because sometimes it's not that you need more discipline, it's that your tear trough out here is showing off. Over time, you will lose volume under your eyes. This creates a hollow called the tear trough, which casts a shadow that looks exactly like a dark circle. On top of that, our skin naturally thins as we age, which makes the darker underlying blood vessels and structures more visible. For others, it's hyperpigmentation, where the body simply produces more color in that area, which is especially common in people with darker skin tones. So, if you've addressed your lifestyle and those stubborn circles are still hanging around, the cause is often anatomical or skin quality related. And for anyone who needs to look as sharp as they feel, this is where advanced treatments become a total game changer. These aren't just about covering up the problem, they're about treating what's underneath it. Let's break down the most effective option that people turn to for results that last: PRP, PRF, and dermal fillers. First, the all natural option, platelet rich plasma or PRP. You've probably heard of this for sports injuries, but it's often used in aesthetics as well. The process is straightforward. We draw a little bit of your blood, we send it down into a centrifuge that spins it. That blood is then separated out into plasma, which is concentrated with platelets. And yes, this is the part where aesthetics briefly sounds like a vampire documentary. But stay with me here. This concentrated plasma is then skillfully injected back into the under eye area. Why? because platelets contain growth factors that help support tissue repair. When they're injected, they can signal to the skin to ramp up collagen and elastin production over time. That can help thicken the skin, improve texture, and make those underlying vessels a little less obvious. The result is a brighter, firmer look that still looks like you. There's a 2014 study especially looking at PRP for the periorbital dark circles and crow's feet, and it found improvements in those concerns after treatment. Later reviews on facial rejuvenation have also noted visible improvement in the periorbital area with PRP. Now, let's talk about the next evolution of this platelet rich fibrin, or PRF. Think of PRF as PRP's slightly more patient cousin. The blood is spun differently at a lower speed, which preserves more white blood cells and creates a fibrin matrix. This matrix acts like a scaffold, helping release growth factors more gradually over time. For the under eyes, that slow release can be a real advantage. While PRP can give you a regenerative burst, PRF may provide a steadier stream of healing signals and a subtle volumizing effect as skin quality improves. Early studies and reviews suggest that PRF can improve periocular pigmentation, fine lines, and overall skin freshness, though results still depend on anatomy and technique. By the way, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. We're all about breaking down the science behind aesthetics so you can make decisions that feel right for you. While PRP and PRF are amazing for the skin quality and color, they don't provide a lot of instant volume. If the main reason you look tired is a deep, hollowed out tear trough, the solution needs to be structural, and that's where hyaluronic acid fillers come in. Dermal fillers are injectable gels made from hyaluronic acid, a substance your body actually already makes to keep your skin hydrated and plump. When a skilled injector places a tiny amount of this filler under the tear trough, it physically lifts the sunken area. The shadow that was creating the dark circle is reduced, smoothing the whole area in minutes. Sometimes the issue isn't that the under eye is dark, it's that the shadow is putting on a full Broadway performance. I totally get it. The idea of injections near your eye can sound really scary, but the techniques and technology in this area are incredibly refined. Many injectors may use a microcannula, which is a tiny blunt tip tube. This can minimize trauma, bruising, and swelling. And fillers used in this area are designed for soft, seamless correction when the patient is a good candidate. One of the best things about hyaluronic acid fillers is that they're reversible. So, if for any reason the result isn't what you wanted, hyaluronidase can be used to dissolve the filler. That gives people a little bit of peace of mind. The FDA also notes that while HA fillers are commonly used and can look beautiful, rare serious complications can occur. So, skills matter here. In other words, under eye filler is not the place for a coupon and a dream. The results are immediate and can be very long lasting depending on the product, placement, and your own body. For the ultimate under eye refresh, practitioners will often combine treatments. They might use fillers to restore lost volume and then perform PRF treatments to improve skin quality on top of that. This two pronged approach handles both the structure and the surface. So you've had an amazing in-office treatment. What you do at home is what helps maintain and protect that investment. A medical grade eye product can be key here. Look for ingredients that actually work, like vitamin K, for example. It can help the look of discoloration. Caffeine can temporarily help with puffiness and that blue tint, and a gentle retinoid or peptide formula can support collagen over time. This is also where your home routine can stop being random and start being strategic. Not 12 steps, not a drawer full of products you panic bought at 11 p.m., just a smart routine that makes sense. For nighttime support, this is a natural place to mention our ReposePM restorative eye treatment. It's designed for tired, puffy, aging eyes and uses ingredients like retinol, peptides, and niacinamide to help the under eye area look brighter, firmer, and smoother over time. Then, during the day, Radiant Gaze Brightening Mineral Eye Defense SPF 50 Pulls double duty. It helps brighten the look of dark circles, hydrates, and gives that delicate under eye skin mineral based sun protection. Basically, treatment at night, defense in the day. Your under eyes finally have a better work life balance than most of us. Think of these products as the daily support system for your professional treatment. And here's a free tip: using a cold compress for about 10 minutes in the morning can be surprisingly effective at calming morning puffiness before you head out the door. So here's the bottom line: looking perpetually tired is a complex issue that goes way beyond how many hours you've slept. Your lifestyle habits are the foundation, but they often can't fix the anatomical changes, like volume loss and thinning skin, that cause those really stubborn dark circles. Understanding the why is the first step to finding the right how. If it's about skin quality and pigmentation, regenerative treatments like PRP and PRF use your body's own power to support its healing. If it's about a structural hollow creating a shadow, hyaluronic acid fillers can offer a fast, long lasting improvement. You don't have to be stuck in that frustrating loop of feeling great on the inside, but looking exhausted on the outside. These advanced, minimally invasive treatments are helping so many people finally make how they look match how they feel. The best first step you can take is to book a consultation with an experienced medical aesthetics provider who can properly assess your anatomy, listen to your concerns, and build a personalized plan to help you get the results you want safely and effectively. If you have any questions about these treatments, drop them in the comments below and tell me this: do your under eyes look more hollow, more puffy, or more dark? Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Here's to looking confident, refreshed, and completely you.